Hello everyone. So today we decided to put up our first video, our debut one. So we're hoping you will will subscribe and then click on the bell notification so you can get more of our cooking videos and all kinds of videos. The thing is, I want to have as much fun as possible while doing this. It's my fun part. So we're going to today make some yummy yam porridge. Seeing the pictures, you'll want to try them, and I promise you it's not hectic. You don't have to spend the whole day cooking it, and you will truly enjoy it. So for the oil part, some people I know they don't eat oil, red oil, that is palm oil, because of a health reason, but we hope you can edit that if you like. You can cook it absolutely with no oil at all, and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, please click the bell notification, and please stay with us and enjoy this video. See you. Everything is all set out and we go. Here we have a yam cubed, washed and cubed, and then onions, Maggi, pepper, and some bitter leaves. This is salt, and this is a bit of curry for the nice flavor. This is a ground crayfish. We're going to add that as well. These are all set out with the oil over there as well. So now, what we do first is to wash the yam properly and put in the pot where it is going to cook. That's the yam peels. I like to take them off. Some people cook with them. You didn't know that, did you? I'm kidding. So we're washing the yam and we're putting it in the pot. And what I like to do is sometimes, even after washing your yam with the back on, you still find that there's some dirt on it, and then you have to wash it again. So here's the onion. We cube it as well, and the pepper, we chop them up. You can grind all these things if you like as well, if you don't like to eat bits of them in the food. And now I do ground cooking most times, especially with my yam porridge. So what I do, I put this chopped up onions and pepper in the pot, and next I add some crayfish that I showed you earlier, and then the curry, and then the salt, and the Maggi cubes, the seasoning one. So I mix them up with my spatula. That prevents the pot from burning when you're cooking it. That's why I prefer the spatula. Then that's already some boiled water I have just to quicken my cooking. So I pour it as low. I like to cover until the yam is just completely covered before I cook it. So I add additional water if I need to, just to make sure it cooks nicely and still have some yummy sauce. That's the bitter leaves. Normally it's longer, and some people don't like it lengthy in the food. So what I do is I chop it up again. So when I chop it up, it comes bits and pieces, more edible for me, if I say. And that's my dried fish. I didn't show you this earlier. It's smoked fish. So I clean it up, I remove the bones and all of that, and I put it in. I already put it on the fire after adding the water. So the bitter leaves and the oil, you can decide which one. If you like your bitter leaves thoroughly cooked, come to me later when I finish, okay? You can of course add the bitter leaves first before the oil, but if you like the bitter leaves not totally cooked, you can add the oil before the bitter leaves. And remember, always taste for salt, so you know when you need more, and when you need to calm it down, maybe you added too much at the beginning. So I cover the steam some more to cook until it's thoroughly cooked. I like my yam soft and nice. I don't like very hard yam goodness. So now I feel that we're almost there. And let it cook and simmer. And then there's the aroma. You're going to enjoy this. And you try this recipe. And then I decided to add my oil the last because I like my vegetable cooking properly. And there we have it, all cooked with some nice juice in it. You can decide to make the water more so you can have more juice, or less so you can have less juice. And there we have our yam porridge. Yes, we did it. And what's it taste like? Please leave your reviews below. We would love to read it and get back to you. If you need more clarifications or you're not sure of some of the ingredients or things we use in cooking, please let us know and we will surely get back to you and give you all the yummy juice and gist of it. Have a fun day. Bye bye.